everyone, this is the one of the dipping powders, and it's a proper kit by the looks of it. I haven't actually opened it as yet, so here we go again. Are we getting there? Right. Oh, we got there. Okay. So you've got a little postcard there, and I would imagine this is your instructions. Yes, it is. So I should be having a look at that, so as I know what I'm doing. And there we go. So we have the colours there, and let's have a look. So 2 in 1. Oh right, that's different. 2 in 1, and the activator. What else have we got? We've got oh, look at that. That's a fluffy little brush. Oh, that's lovely. Really soft. And then what else? We've got something underneath, so let's have a look what we've got there. I'll just move that out of the way. So you've got a file, and then you've got 2 extra brushes in case the brushes go hard, because obviously this system is glue, so if you don't clean that off properly it will go solid. So they're giving you an extra couple of brushes in there, like I say, with your file as well. So it's unusual, because all the ones I've done before I've had 3. But let's have a look. So what it's saying here is to wash your hands and do all round your cuticles, clean them, and then apply a thin layer of base to the nail surface. Avoid getting the base on your cuticle. So quick dip the nail at a 45-degree angle into the powder. Use the brush to remove the excess powder. Dry for 60 seconds. Repeat step 1 and 2 once or twice. Again, that depends on you. Apply the activator to the entire nail surface. Air dry for 60 seconds. Then you use your file, and then you can put another coat of the activator, and that, yeah, so you can use that as many as you want. Yeah, so you can use it 1, 2, 3, whatever. So that's totally different now. So this is a base and top, and then yeah, your activator. Okay, so I'll get these out, get the covers off, and then that'll be... Okay, so I've got them all out now, and I've got the false nails. So what I'm going to do is, so as I can hold them, dip them. That'll be the easiest way. And these, I'm glad they've done this. This is so good. Use these tops. Then you've only got to pull it off, like that. So I'll do each one as I go along. So if it comes in a kit like that, don't worry about numbers, because that's how it's going to be anyway. So I'll put a little pad there, and we'll start with this one. So just put that out the way, like so. And we've got to use that one first. And then we've got to let these air dry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open them all up, do the base on all the nails, dip them, and then because I've got to leave them to dry, then I play some music and then go from the second part for that, if you can understand what I mean. So that's what I will do. Okay, so I've let them dry. Now, you can actually do this twice if you want to. Do it again. Repeat what you've just done. So, there may be a little bit still wet there. So all you're going to be doing is brushing off any excess that there is. But look at those. Those glitters are beautiful. So, hopefully they are. It's hard to tell. But what a quick system this is. Feels dry. So just get some of that off because I don't want it going into the, especially the glitter. Don't want that going into the top part of it. So this is what you've got to do on all of them to make sure you get most of the glitter off. So you're not discolouring that. So hopefully I've got that off. So when they dry, I'm going to now put the activator on. And what I will say, when you're using this one, don't be skimpy with it. You know, put a good layer on so that you know it's going to stick. Then you shouldn't need a second coat. So we will put the activator on. Now what you need to do with this is make sure you wipe the brush every time before you put it back in. Otherwise you can get glittery bits all over the other colours. So again, these have got to dry. As you can see, you can get a little bit of red on there. Do that one. No, we don't want other colours blending in. So we just do, I'll do that one next. They come out nice. Make them sparkly. beautiful. The only thing is you've got to wait. It's just like a nail polish, to wait until it's dried. But it's such a quick system. You know, if you're going out, it'll take you long to put these on. One coat's enough. So the brush is clean, back in. Those now will wait until they go dry, and I'll be back. Okay, they're dry. Now, the activator doesn't really, well, leave a shine like a top coat. So I have got Modelones top coat. I mean, to invest in one of these, they're not expensive. So if you're going on the site, have a look. And that's how it comes, like in a lipstick one. So if you don't want to shine, you know, sort of brilliant shine, then you just do as is, and you can use the activator 2 or 3 times. But I don't think you ever get as nice a shine as what you will get of a proper top coat. I mean, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Just make sure there's no glitter in there. Look at that. So I'm going to cure these and then I'll be back. So there they are. These glitters are amazing. I mean, one coat. I mean, like I say, adding the UV top coat is a preference for me, but you don't have to. It's just a case of using the activator just another couple of times and letting it dry in between. And those, I can't get over those, how beautiful they are. And like I say, it comes in a kit. You don't need anything else. And away you go. Well, I'd like to thank Modelones for sending me these to try. And I have a discount code, so I shall leave that in a link in my drop-down box. So go and check them out. But I'm quite amazed with those, how well they've come out. And I'll hopefully thank you for watching, and then hopefully see you in my next. Bye.